Hello and welcome to today's program on English with Altaf. I'm Ikra. In this video, we are going to talk about a very common problem: why many people can write in English but find it difficult to speak confidently.
And I'm Altaf. If you can write well but hesitate while speaking, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and share practical tips that can help you become a confident English speaker.
Let's begin with understanding why this happens. Altaf, many people tell me they can write essays, emails, even long paragraphs in English. But when it comes to speaking, they get nervous or blank out. Why do you think that is?
That's a great point, Ikara. Writing and speaking are two different skills. When you write, you have time to think. You can go back, delete, and edit your sentences. But in speaking, you have to respond instantly. There's no backspace button when you're talking to someone.
Exactly. And that pressure makes people nervous. They worry about making mistakes or being judged. As a result, their mind goes blank, even if they know the right words.
Yes. And another reason is that most learners focus more on reading and writing during their studies. They rarely get the chance to practice speaking in real situations. So the speaking muscles, you can say, are not exercised enough.
That's a good example, Altaf. Just like going to the gym, if you don't exercise a particular muscle, it remains weak. Speaking English needs practice just like any other skill.
Absolutely. And sometimes people feel shy because of their accent or pronunciation. They think their English is not good enough, so they avoid speaking.
That's very common, especially among beginners. They think if they don't speak like native speakers, they shouldn't speak at all. But the truth is, fluency comes with practice, not perfection.
Right. You don't need to sound like an American or British person. What matters is that people understand you. Communication is more important than having a perfect accent.
Altaf, let's now talk about some solutions. What can our viewers do if they want to speak English confidently?
The first tip is start speaking from today. Don't wait to become perfect. Speak with your friends, family, or even with yourself in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Yes, and speaking to yourself is a powerful technique. You can describe your daily routine, your feelings, or what you see around you in English. It builds fluency without fear of judgment.
Another tip is listen a lot. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or podcasts. Listen carefully to how native speakers talk. Notice their sentence structure, tone, and pronunciation. It will help your brain get used to the language.
Good point. Listening improves your speaking. When you listen daily, your brain starts picking up common phrases and expressions. You start thinking in English naturally.
Also, reading aloud is a great exercise. Pick a short story or a newspaper article and read it aloud every day. It will improve your pronunciation and speaking flow.
That's true. Many learners read silently, but when they read aloud, they realize where they struggle. It's a good way to train your tongue and mouth to speak English smoothly.
One more tip. Don't worry about grammar while speaking. Grammar is important, but in real conversations, communication is more important. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes while talking.
Yes, and don't interrupt your flow just because you're unsure of grammar. It's better to speak with small mistakes than not to speak at all. Fluency will come with time.
Practice speaking with someone who supports you, a friend, a classmate, or even an online language partner. When you speak regularly, your confidence grows naturally.
And if you don't have someone to talk to, record your voice. Speak on a topic and listen to your recording. You'll notice your weak areas and improve them step by step.
That's an excellent method. Also, remember that confidence doesn't come overnight. Be patient with yourself. Every mistake is part of learning.
Exactly. Don't let fear stop you. Mistakes are signs that you're trying. And if you keep trying, you'll definitely improve.
Before we end, I want to give a quick daily routine that can help our viewers. Morning. Listen to a short English podcast or news. Afternoon, read a short article or a few pages from a book. Evening, speak for 5 minutes on any topic and record it. Repeat this every day, and in a few weeks, you'll see progress.
That's a very useful routine. And remember, consistency is key. Small steps every day lead to big results.
Ikra, shall we now summarize what we've learned today?
Of course. Today we talked about why many people can write well in English but can't speak confidently. We learned that writing and speaking are different skills, and speaking needs practice and confidence.
We also discussed common problems like fear of making mistakes, lack of practice, and hesitation due to accent or grammar worries.
And most importantly, we shared simple solutions like speaking daily, listening to English, reading aloud, recording your voice, and being patient with yourself.
If you follow these tips and practice regularly, you will definitely become a confident English speaker. Remember, confidence is built step by step.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel English with Altaf.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video with more helpful tips.
Take care and keep speaking English. Goodbye.
Goodbye and best of luck on your English journey.